Hi, I'm Aviral, and in this brief video, I'll be explaining and demonstrating a research project understanding and tackling the problem of fake news. Through this video, I'll be discussing about the different ways by which fake news can be spread and how our project can help alleviate people from the problem of fake news. This project puts great emphasis on research and implementation. Alongside this, we have also tried to demonstrate our research work in the form of a product that can be used in commercial third-party applications. To tackle a problem as diverse as fake news, this project introduces 5 metrics. These metrics are based on a scientific approach and help provide a quantifiable evaluation of fake news along its several dimensions. For example, fake news need not only be spread by news articles, accounts on social media, images, and fake websites can all perpetrate fake news, and do so in an insidious manner, leaving the user unaware that he or she is a victim of fake news. Though largely independent, these metrics can together provide a more comprehensive understanding of a news piece and help the reader make a more informed decision. The metrics discussed in this project are fake account detection on social media, credible resources or automated fact checking, community detection or social network analysis, fake website detection, and finally, fake image identification. In fake account detection, we look at a prominent user on Twitter and we take his latest tweet and identify its retweeters. Using a model trained on features of an account such as statuses count, whether the account is marked verified by Twitter, friends count, etc., we predict the possibility of the accounts that retweeted the message being fake and consequently determine the probability of the tweet itself being fake. This metric can help a user identify messages from which sources are more trustworthy on Twitter. The credible sources metric performs fact-checking of a claim and reports whether credible sources such as New York Times, Washington Post, etc. agree with the claim or not. The automated fact-checking is a two-stage process. Here, relevant data is first scraped from predetermined credible sources. In the second stage, the claim made is juxtaposed against the contents retrieved from credible sources using a trained stance detection model. The results of this metric are listed in a tabular form where the output of the ML model indicates whether a credible source agrees, disagrees, or discusses the claim made. Users of social media platforms such as Twitter organize themselves into communities. This metric aims at identifying communities on social media and their constituent accounts. By running the previously discussed fake account detection metric on individual communities, we can determine the fake accounts present within a community and the probability that the community itself perpetrates fake news. The community detection metric is built using an aggregation of supervised and unsupervised ML techniques. The image displayed depicts a graphical representation of the identified communities and the predicted probability of the accounts and communities being fake. Some accounts on social media that perpetrate fake news try and make their claims seem more trustworthy by providing links to websites that support their claim. However, the website to which the link is provided can itself be fake. This metric analyzes the URLs and the HTML content of the website to detect if the website is genuine or not. A large part of interaction on internet occurs through images. Modern image processing tools are capable of manipulating images so precisely that even humans find it hard to distinguish fake images from original ones. This metric aims at identifying such fraudulent images. Regions of manipulations are identified by predicting the EXIF metadata of subregions of the image and then looking for regions with the most deviation in the EXIF metadata values. Using morphological opening and contour detection, a bounding box highlighting the anomaly is generated.